Anywhere you go, everywhere around you, you can see animals. We ourselves are animals. But then, what makes us different from an animal like a bird or a fish? Despite the vast number of animals on this earth, they can be divided into two main categories: invertebrates, who do not have a backbone in their body, and vertebrates, who do have a backbone. Today we're going to look at the different types of vertebrates. Vertebrates can be further divided into five groups. These groups are fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. So let's start off with fish. Firstly, fish have skin with scales. These scales protect them from the environment and reduce friction with the water, which means that they can swim better. They also have gills. Gills are what allow fish to breathe underwater. Another important feature of fish are fins, which enable them to swim. Now we have amphibians. Examples of amphibians include frogs, toads, salamanders, caecilians, and more. Amphibians have thin and moist skin without scales. It allows them to have a source of moisture and is used for respiration, as gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide can easily pass through, and it provides protection from infections and predators. They also lay their eggs in water, because if they were laid on land, they would dry out. While the adults generally live on land, their young have gills and live in the water. As these young grow up, they go through a process called metamorphosis, and they develop lungs and legs that allow them to live on land. Next, we're looking at reptiles. Examples of reptiles include turtles, tortoises, lizards, snakes, alligators, and more. Their skin have hard scales. This is because it gives them protection from the environment and from predators, and also prevents loss of water from their body. Reptiles lay waterproof eggs with rubbery shells. This means that they're both protected, and while they get enough oxygen, it prevents water from being lost. Now we have birds. Birds have feathers because it means that they're insulated, which means that they're protected from the heat or cold. They're also water resistant, which keeps birds dry. It also helps them to fly. They lay shelled eggs with a relatively hard shell, and they also have wings, which allow them to fly. Finally, we have mammals. Mammals include us humans, dogs, cats, cows, mice or rats, elephants, lions, and many more. Mammals have hair or fur, whose main purpose is to prevent the loss of body heat and protect us from the cold. While the other types of vertebrates lay eggs, we mammals give birth to live babies. Mammals can also produce milk, which provides their newborn young with all the right nutrition needed for them to grow.